Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study accounting in college. First, focus on building a strong foundation. Truly grasp core concepts like debits and credits, as they are the bedrock of all accounting. Dedicate time to mastering the three main financial statements: the income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. Consistent practice with textbook problems and real-world scenarios will solidify your understanding. Next, engage actively with your course material. Attending every lecture is crucial, and don't hesitate to participate in class discussions. Make the most of your professor's office hours. They are invaluable for clarifying complex topics. Additionally, forming study groups can provide new perspectives and help you work through challenging problems collaboratively. Beyond theory, developing practical skills is essential. Familiarize yourself with common accounting software, such as QuickBooks, and become proficient in Excel for data analysis. Actively seek out internships to gain hands-on experience in real-world accounting environments. This practical exposure will significantly enhance your analytical and problem-solving abilities, preparing you for future roles. Finally, prepare for your career by networking with professionals in the accounting field. These connections can open doors to valuable opportunities. Consider pursuing professional certifications like the CPA or CMA, which can significantly boost your career prospects. Always stay updated on industry trends and regulatory changes to remain competitive and knowledgeable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.